1, 2, ready, go. Come on for the back. 1, 2, energy. Hey.
Hi everyone, how are you doing today? We are in Eko Atlantic to shoot a music video with Nimorion. He's shooting his music video with Hotkid, titled No Long Cap. I'm here and I'm enjoying the vibe, seeing how they shoot music video. It's dope. I can't wait for the music video to be out, and I'm gonna for some for you guys to see. Guys, watch out. When the music video is out, you're gonna love it.
It looks regular. Oh, the view, man. Eko Atlantic, the 20th floor, and everyone looks smaller. I can't even get close to it. Man, the height, and I love that. Let's zoom it. Oh, let's zoom it. Oh, man. I swear everyone looks small. Like can't. Look at that guy. Look at that guy.
20th adventure, the back towards that car park. 9 minutes. What's happening?
So where is our kitchen?
Okay.
So we have the fridge and then everything that you need to use here.
Okay.
This the electric cooker, everything. Okay. So this is the bedroom. So this is the first bedroom, and it has a mini balcony.
Right there, right? Whoa.
Okay. That's nice. And all the toilets and all the rooms and streets. The second room.
Oh, dope.
The second room, yes. This is the first.
So another place we do something like this back over.
Okay.
You can
See?
site, so of course.
Can I see this place?
That place I you can it's only your food.
Wow, this is lovely. I love this. I love the artwork. Wow, it is nice. I love the bed. It's nice. Whoa. And what do we have here? People look tiny, man. Wow. Oh boy. Now let's check the bedroom. Yeah. Check this place the other time. This is so cool. I love this one. This is cool. Don't worry, I'm not used to the forest anyways. I know some people will be like, oh boy, you are so I'm not in the forest this time around. I'm in Eko Atlantic, not in the forest. Forest life is dope. You know, you get to mix with nature, enjoy yourself.
Ladies and gentlemen, Big Balu is my name. I'm a businessman. I'm an entertainer. We are on the set of No Longer, Nimorion featuring Hotkid. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now playing.
How you doing?
I'm good.
What's the name?
Max Media. And I'm the director of this music video shoot. We're out here doing our thing.
I can see you setting up stuff. That's great. Hello, what's your name? Nee. And you guys work together? All right. Cool. Do it again.
Yes, go and get ready.
Who's going to shake your own?
I'm safe now.
Who's going to shake your own?
Me.
You can shake it for her. Yeah, good. Hello. Makeup artists doing their work. Hi, girls.
1, 2, ready, go. Come up for the back. 1, 2, energy. Hey.
Once I'm done with this, I'm just leave and walk you back inside. You can take a reverse shot. Okay. You're not here. No, she can do it.
Is everybody good? We're going again. Go back.
Hello, how you doing?
Fine.
What's the name?
My name is Oluwafemi, popularly known as Nimorion.
What are we doing here today?
We are here shooting a music video for my coming single featuring Hotkid. The title of the music is No Longer. I can't wait for you guys to see it.
Whoa. Mad. Whoa. Oh dear.
Nobody knows how to do
We are around that side.
Just
Oh no.
Okay, yeah. Are you ready? I'm going to start very soon.
Shake the breast.
Everybody. My bikini will be the hottest. Mine will be the hottest because there's one that you guys have.